Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear. How are you? First, we start from addition and subtraction, revision on algebra and geometry for exam tomorrow, inshallah. We will start from -5 plus 2. How can I solve -5 plus 2, my dear? I have two different signs. Okay? Then -5 plus 2. If I put in number line, using the number line to solve it, I'll start from -5, then adding 2. Plus 2 mean adding 2. Adding 2, this meaning adding, I add in this side and subtract in this side. Okay, then I'll add 2. -5 here, -4, -3. Then the answer will be -3. The answer will be -3 using the number line. -5 plus 2, my dear. I have two different signs. Then subtract. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Which bigger, 5 or 2? Which bigger, my dear, 5 or 2?
5.
5. Which sign of the bigger number?
Minus, so it will be minus.
Then the answer will be minus. Okay. Okay, here I have plus and the minus together. Then multiplying them, -2. Plus -1 equals what? Plus multiplying minus equals?
Plus multiplying minus equals the minus.
Minus. I have two similar signs, minus, minus. Then the answer must be minus.
Yeah.
And that's it. 2 plus 1, 3.
It will be 3.
Okay. Find each difference. Here, -12 plus 9. I have two different signs. Subtract. 12 minus 9, 3.
12 minus
Which
9,
bigger?
3.
12 is bigger. Its sign is negative. The answer is negative. Here I have -4. Plus minus, it will be?
Minus.
Minus add. And the answer will be minus.
Miss, I have a question.
Yeah, ask.
Here, you said in question number 2, minus and minus, right?
I have -2, -1. If I have in addition and subtraction same sign, add 2 plus 1, 3. And the sign must be negative. Okay, but if I have -2 multiplying -1, it's another thing. Negative multiplying negative, it will be positive. 2 multiplying 1, it will be 2. This is multiply, my dear. This is add, my dear. You must differ between add and multiply.
Subtract.
This add, -2 -1 add.
Yeah.
Okay. Here I have two signs, consecutive signs. Then -3. Negative equals?
Positive.
Positive. I have two different signs. I must subtract. Okay. -3 plus 5. Subtract 5 minus 3, 2. The bigger is 5. Its sign is positive. The answer is positive. Okay. You can check your answer
And
after
we don't
finishing.
put positive, right?
Yeah. Don't write positive. You can check your answer by using calculator by write -3 as it. -3. Then minus, open parentheses, -5, close the parentheses, equal, then give the answer to check your answer, okay? You must write the problem as it. If you use calculator to check, you must write it as it.
Miss,
Yeah.
tomorrow you will give us in the class a paper to solve on it.
You have many space in your paper. You can write in any space in your paper, yeah? You have many space.
Okay.
Okay, my dear. Here, its sign is positive. Here, its sign is negative. Two different signs, subtract. 8.5 minus 1.5, it will be 6, yeah? No, it will be 7.
7.
7. And the sign will be?
Negative.
Okay, -6, +9, I have two different signs. Then mine -6 equals 3. The bigger sign
Miss, you didn't do number 10.
Number 10, okay. Okay, do you understand number 14? 2 plus 5, 7, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, 11 minus 9, okay, 20, very easy. Number 22.
Number 10, Miss, we didn't solve.
I solved it. 7.
Oh, 7. Okay.
Negative 14, positive and negative, my dear, it will be negative, okay? Two different signs, it will be negative. Negative 14, negative 10, add or subtract?
Add.
And the answer will be negative, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy. Okay.
Miss, if we did the steps, we will get the mark, and if we didn't,
No
we
mark
will
is for
lose the
steps,
mark.
my
or what?
dear. No mark is for steps, okay? No marks for steps, but you must add steps. Your exam multiple choice, but you have only 4 points for complete at the end of the exam. You must complete at the rule and
Okay.
that's all. Okay. Find each sum, it's very easy. Okay, do it. Simplify each expression. Okay, square root for 400 equals what, my dear?
200.
Radical 420. Radical 420. Yeah. Radical 169 equal
130.
30. If I have negative, okay, no problem. Both the same. Radical 25 over 81, it will be 5.
5 over 9.
9. Negative equal negative. Radical 1 over 9 equals
It
1.
will be 1 over 3.
Easy, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. My
Yeah,
dear, here, positive divide positive, the answer must be positive and divide. Okay. Negative divide negative, the answer will be
Positive.
positive. Negative divide positive, the answer will be
It will be negative.
negative divide positive, the answer will be
Negative also.
negative. Okay, and divide, no problem in these problems. Okay. Okay, distributive. How can you distribute, my dear? How can you distribute? How can you distribute? 6 will multiplying to A and 6 will multiply to 10, yeah?
Yeah.
Then it will be 6A plus 60. I can't add 6A plus 60, my dear. This is the final answer. This is the end.
So just like this, and we finish and we answer this question.
Yes, yes, write it only. 9 multiplying 10 multiplying 9, 90. Minus a z. T multiplying 10, 10t. This is the final answer. Okay, 8 multiplying on 4, 8 multiplying on x. Then it will be 32 plus 4x plus 8x.
So we have to multiply?
Multiply only. Multiply in both
sides. It will be done.
It's called the term. Multiplying in both terms. Yeah, 12 multiplying 2j, it will be 24j. Minus a z. 6 multiplying 12, it will be 72. Okay, keep it as it. Don't add j with number, don't add x with number. This is the last, this is the end. Okay, 5 times 2, 5, 5 times 2w will be 25 plus 5w.
Miss, do you mean that we have to read the book and study only the acute and the obtuse and the right and straight?
Okay, my dear, how can you study today? First, look at the lessons, solve the example. Okay, solve the example in the lessons. Okay, on each lesson in the pointers. Then solve the worksheet, then sleep. Okay, solve the example in each lesson only, then the worksheet, then sleep. Don't make over.
So study the all the solved questions in the textbook and the copybook, and then answer the worksheet and then done.
Yeah. Okay. If you do that, you will get the full mark inshallah tomorrow. Okay, my dear. Here I'll distribute 2x over 5, 7 over 5. It will be 2 over 5x plus 7 over 5. Okay, my dear, don't look at the solved example. Write the solved example as the book. Okay, you must write. You must use your pen and use your notebook to write. Okay, to solved example. You must solve, not look. Okay, my dear, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, miss.
Okay, 17 over 4 plus 5n over 4. 17 over 4 plus 5 over 4n. Okay, no simplify here. 5, 4, no simplify. 17, 4, no simplify. And here, it will be 8 over 3 minus 9 over 3x. Do you understand this, my dear? 8 over 3 minus az, 9 over 3x, okay? 8 and 3 can simplify. 9 and 3 simplify. Yeah? The answer will be 8 over 3 minus 3x. If you have simplify, simplify. If you haven't, no problem. Here, 25 over 5 minus 8 over 5t. 25 over 5 equals 5 minus 8 over 5t. And so on. You understand this?
Yeah, yes, I understand it.
Okay, my dear, here negative sign. Okay, negative sign and parentheses. Negative sign changes all signs inside the parentheses, opposite x. If negative, it will be positive. If positive, it will be negative. If negative sign multiplied into parentheses, it will be change all signs because negative equals positive, negative positive equals negative. Okay, the second sign change it. The second sign change it. Okay, then here it's a sign positive, yeah? It will be negative, and this sign it will be negative. Here it's a sign negative, it will be positive, it will be positive. It's a sign, but 9 is positive, my dear. No sign meaning positive. It will be negative, and this it will be positive. This sign is positive, it will be negative, and the negative will be positive. This sign is positive, it will be negative, negative, it will be positive. Negative, it will be positive. Positive will be negative. Positive will be negative.
We will just write like this. We will not like that. Write the question
and rewrite again. Okay, negative 20, negative d. 5 plus 4y. Negative 9 plus 7c. Yeah, replace signs only. Negative 18a, positive 17b. Negative 21c, positive 4z. Okay, my dear? M minus n minus 1. Easy,
okay,
yeah?
Wait. Yeah, easy.
Okay. If I have 5.1 multiplying 8, I wanted to multiply it by another method, easily 1. 5 is equal 5 plus 0.1. 5.1 equals 5 plus 0.1. Yeah? Multiplying 8, okay? You can make this, then check with the calculator. 5.1 multiplying 8. I multiply 8 times 5 and 8 times 0.1. It will be 40 plus 8 multiply 0.1, it will be 0.8. Then add, it will be 40.8. Okay, 7.25, it will be 7 plus 0.25.
0.25, yeah.
Then 3 multiplying here and 3 multiplying here. Okay, my dear, 299. How can I solve it? 299.
It will be 29.5.
300 minus 1.
300 minus 1. Okay.
One, yeah.
Multiplying 3. Then 3 multiplying here and 3 multiplying here. Okay. It will be 900 minus 3. It will be 896. Okay. And check the answer using calculator. 299 times 3 equals what? Okay, my dear, easy?
Miss, can you explain it again?
What do you say?
Can you explain it again?
Number 43?
Yes.
Okay. Number 4, if I have, my dear, 901 times 2, 2. 901 equals 900 plus 1. Multiplying 2, 2. Okay, then 2 multiplied 900, 2 multiplied 1. If I have 299 multiplying 3, 299, I need it by easily numbers. 299 near what? Near 300. But 999 equal 300 minus 1. Okay? 999 equals 300 minus 1. You understand?
Yes.
Then 3 multiplying 300 minus 3 multiplying 1. Keep the sign as it. If here minus, still minus. If here plus, still plus. Okay? Then solve
Yes.
and get the answer. Okay, my dear. Solve the equation. Here I have equation in one side. In one side. I have equation in one side. The variable exists in what? Left-hand side. Yeah? Solve the equation, meaning find the value of the variable. Okay, I have here plus 7, then minus 7 in both sides. 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. I have 3 minus 7. I have two different signs, my dear, yeah? Subtract 7 minus 3, 4. Add the bigger sign. You can check your answer, put x equals negative 4. Negative 4 plus 7 plus 3, yeah. Do you understand?
Yeah, Miss.
Number 9, where is the variable? Number 9, where is the variable? Left or right? The variable on right, yeah? Then minus 4, it will be plus 4, plus 4. Then m equals 13, yeah? 5y equals 24. How can I solve it, my dear? 5y equals 24.
What, Miss?
How can I solve 5y divided equals 24?
We will do 5 here and also 5 here.
Divide.
So,
yeah? Divide.
yeah.
Yeah. Here 3 plus x. The sign of 3 is positive, yeah?
Yeah.
Then minus 3 in both sides. Here
Miss,
plus 4. Nah.
I didn't understand like how to find x and like this parts.
Why?
Like I got confused when we do like here when you said do minus 7 here and also minus 7 if it's minus. Sorry, if it's plus.
I do the inverse operation. I do the inverse operation, okay? If beside x, which number beside x? Plus 7. I need to remove plus 7. I remove it by inverse operation, minus 7. Then I must add the same in both sides. Okay? Here, minus 4. Then plus 4 in both sides. I look at the variable. Here, 5y. The inverse, divide 5. Here, 3 plus x. Then minus 3, minus 3. To remove plus 3. 2x. Divide 2, divide 2. X minus 4.
No, the another step, not this.
X minus 4.
Like after
4.
minusing and plusing, well, what we will do? Like after
here,
we add
3 minus 3, 0, yeah?
Yeah.
And x equal minus 34 minus 3 equals minus 37. Here 5 over 5, 1. Then y equal 24 over 5. Here 9 plus 4, 13. Negative 4 plus 4, 0. Then m equals 13.
13, yeah.
Okay, plus 7 minus 7, 0. Then x equals minus 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, x over 7 equals 9, my dear. How can I solve it?
Me, Miss?
All of you. X over 7 equals 9. How can I solve?
We will first take out multiply here 7 and also multiply. So it will be here at 0.
If no x, not 0, x.
Oh, it will be x. And here 7, yeah.
If I have division, my dear, the inverse operation is multiplication. I make the inverse operation. Yeah. If division, multiply. If multiply, divide. If add, subtract. If subtract, add. Okay. You understand this?
Miss, can you repeat? I couldn't hear you.
Okay. If I have division here, I have division here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then multiply.
Yeah.
I make inverse operation. If I have multiply, I'll divide. If I have divide, multiply. If you have add, subtract. If you have subtract, add. In equation, we make the inverse operation. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, my dear. How can I solve multi-step equation? 5x plus 12 equals a negative 13. 5x plus 12 equals negative 13. How can I solve it, my dear? Where is the variable? Left. Plus 12, the inverse is? Okay, Reem. Plus 12, the inverse minus 12.
Yes, Miss.
Then plus 12 minus 12 is 0. It will be 5x.
Yeah.
Minus 13 minus 12. Same sign, my dear. Add. Then put minus. 5x. How can I remove 5?
We remove 5 by making the divide here and divide here. So here 25, it will be equals to 5. So it will be
don't forget
negative.
the sign. Negative over positive, negative. Don't forget the sign, my dear. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All this is very easy. Number 3, how can I solve number 3? Number 3. Here divided 4, yeah?
Yeah.
Remove it by multiplying 4. Then 4 and 4, 1. The remainder is y minus 1. Minus 2 multiplying 4 equals?
So it will equals to 8, negative 8.
Then plus 1, the opposite sign, plus 1. Then y equals
9y and 7.
See, my dear?
Miss, but you said here plus, so why we didn't add, so it will be 9.
Negative 8 plus 1. 2 different signs, subtract.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, I understand now.
Okay. Okay, my dear, here I have many variables, but in one side. I have minus y and minus y, but in one side, okay? The other side, no y, okay? How can I solve it? Number 10, how can I solve it? Here, negative 1, my dear, and here, negative 1. I have negative 1. If I have y plus 6, my dear, equals what? Y plus 6 equals what?
2y plus 6.
Yeah, I have here 1, I have here 1, then 2y plus, this is the answer. I can't add y and 6, my dear. I add only y with y, number with number, okay? Here I have negative 1y, negative 1y, 7 as it. Negative 1y, negative 1y equals what? Negative 1y, negative 1y equals?
2y.
Negative 2y. Negative 2y. Then equals negative 1. Then solve. Here plus 7 minus 7 in both sides. Negative 2y equals negative 8. Divide minus 2, divide minus 2. Negative divide negative equals what? Equals what, my dear?
Why is this equal to what, miss?
Yeah. Negative 8, negative 2 equals what?
Positive.
Positive what?
Positive, it will be...
Positive 4, yeah?
Yeah.
It will be positive 4. Where is the sheet? It will be positive 4, the sheet for okay, my dear. If I have number 17, I have here 1p, here 1b, and negative 3b. The answer will be what? 17 as it. 1p minus 3p. 1p minus 3b. I'll add like terms. 1p and minus 3b equals what?
We will add 1b plus 3b equals 2b.
Equals 2b, but the sign must be negative.
Yeah.
Negative is the greater, yeah? Negative 3
yeah.
is the greater. Negative 3 as it. Okay, then add 3. Add 3.
Yeah.
Then 20 equals minus 2p. Divide minus 2. Divide minus 2, my dear.
So here it will be 10?
Yeah, but negative 10.
Negative 10, yeah.
Because positive over negative, the answer will be
negative.
Okay, easy this part. If I have one variable in one side, but we must add like terms. Add like terms. Add like terms, my dear. Okay. Here, no problem. It's very easy here. 72 plus 4. 72 plus 4, 76. Minus 14d equal 36. And solve. Okay, 1x plus 1x, 2x. Okay, add numbers with numbers, add variable with the variable. Okay, my dear, how can I solve this problem? I solved number 21. How can I solve number?
You will bring like this in the test, like bring a number line and we count.
The first problem, yes. First problem, I'll give you number line and give you problem. For example, 1 plus 3. Which number line represent 1 plus 3? Okay, you must start from 1 and adding 3 to right, and the answer will be 4.
Miss, can you show number 17? Because I didn't finish writing it.
Okay, I recorded it.
Miss, can you send for us the answer key after the period or no?
17 equals P minus 3B minus 2P minus 3, adding 3, then 20 equals minus 2P, divide minus 2, divide minus 2, then P equals minus 10. Okay, I solved many problems in same group. If you have any question, ask me, okay? Don't worry. I try to upload you the solution. I try to upload the answer. Okay, finish, clear the board?
Wait, yeah, Miss.
Okay. How many minutes?
Miss, do we have a timing? You told us to take a timing.
What do you say?
Like it's 5 minutes and it will be 1. So I think we still have time.
The session will be ended at after 5 minutes?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, my dear. Clear the board?
Miss, why is the answer negative?
Because negative over positive. Here positive. And here negative. Positive over negative, negative. Okay, after finishing, you must check your answer, my dear. Okay, we have 10 minutes. Okay?
Miss, but in the math, we can write with a pencil or it's not allowed?
Okay, steps, okay, no problem, but your answer must be pen.
Yeah, pen, but steps I mean.
Okay, no problem. Okay, clear the board, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. How can I solve these questions, my dear? I have 5 times 2 to x minus 3 equals 15. 5 times 2, 2x, 5 times 2, negative 3. Okay, 8 times 2 r, 8 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 8, 2 times 2, 4c. 6 times 2, 5. 6 times 2, negative 4f. Okay, 5 times 2n, 5 times 2, negative 1. Okay, I select number 22 to answer it. 5 times 2, 2x, will be 10x. 5 times 2, negative 3, negative 15 equals 15. Negative 15, the opposite sign, positive 15. Positive 15. Then 10x equals 30. Divide 10, divide 10. Then x equals 3. Again. I solve number 28. N as it plus 5 times n, 5n. 5 times negative 1, negative 5 equals 7. I have here 1n and here 5n. 1n plus 5n equals 6n. Minus 5 equals 7. Remove negative 5. Then 6n equals 12. Divide 6. Divide 6. Then n equals 2. Okay, my dear, the length of each segment, my dear, AB equals what? AB equals AB
A minus
equals
B.
A minus B absolute value or B minus A
B minus
absolute
A.
value. Okay, I'll get A minus B minus 8 minus 6. Then it will be minus 8 plus 6. It will be minus 2. Absolute value, it will be 2. Yeah. Then from A to B, 1, 2. 2 steps. After finishing, my dear, you must check the answer from the number line. If I tell you AD, after finishing, my dear, and I need AD, then A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, AD, 11. Then check your answer, A minus D, absolute value, or D minus A, absolute value. Okay, my dear? Easy, this part, very easy. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay. Here, very, very important, A is midpoint of XY. What the meaning of A is midpoint of XY?
In the middle?
Yeah, in the middle, then XA equals AY. Then you must write it. XA, 3X. AY, 5X minus 6. Which is smaller, 3X or 5X?
3x smaller?
3X. Then minus 3X in both sides.
Side.
My dear, if middle, I make that. 3X minus 3X, 0. 5 minus 3X, 2X. Minus 6. Minus 6, the opposite sign is plus 6. Then 6 equals 2x. Divided 2, then x equals 3. Okay? Find the length of XA. XA equals what? XA equals 3x. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. Find the length of AY. AY, 5x minus 6. 5 times 3 minus 6 equals 9. Must be the same, must be the same. Do you understand? If I have point in the middle, then two equations equal. Two equations equal.
Miss, can you repeat?
Okay, I repeat. I have A is midpoint. A is midpoint. Then XA equals AY. Okay? Okay. Then 3x equals 5x minus 6. Do you understand this step?
Yeah.
Okay, I have variable in both sides. Which is smaller?
3.
Then subtract the 3x. Okay. 3x minus 3x, 0. 5x minus 3x, 2x
2.
minus 6. How can I remove minus 6? Plus 6.
6.
Okay. Then 6 equals 2x. 6 equals divided 2, then x will be 3. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
How can I get XA? Substitute by x equals 3. Then 3 multiply 3 equals 9. AY equals AX, then 9, 9. 9, 9. If XY equals 18, 9 plus 9. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes,
Miss,
Miss.
I don't get it.
Which one?
Miss, after we cut out the 3 and it become 0 equal 2x minus 6, what did you do?
Add 6 in both sides. I wanted to remove this part, minus 6. I would plus 6 plus 6.
So, Miss, how did we get 6 over 2 equal 2 over 2x? I don't understand.
I add 0 plus 6 equals 6, yeah?
Yeah.
Equals 2x. 6 equals 2x. Then divide 2 in both.
But we never do like this when we write in the class, like last time.
Which one?
Like we never like do +6 on both sides when if there is no number in the end.
We haven't here any zero. Yeah. Yeah. Zero, no problem. It's a number. Okay. Because 3x minus 3x, no number here. Okay, all problems we solved before, we have a problem here. We have a number here. Okay, here no number. Then 0. 3x minus 3x 0. Okay.
Miss, I'm still a little confused.
I have here 3x. I said 3x equals 5x minus 6. Okay. 3x is the bigger, it's the smaller. Then subtract 3x. Okay. 3x minus 3x equals what?
3x minus 3x equals 0.
No problem, put 0. 5x minus 3x, 2x. Okay, and solve this equation.
But Miss, we never like put 0. We just don't put anything.
But nothing happened. Okay, steps. Adding 6, then divide it 2. Okay.
So Miss, if a question like this comes in the test, we will have to solve it like this.
Yeah. If I have any 5x equals 6x plus 3, how can I solve it? Minus 5x, minus 5x. Here 0. Here x plus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. Then x equals minus 3. Okay, no problem. The same steps. Okay. You understand now?